Hi, this is Tommy Hall with MathNook.com, and I'm here to give a quick overview on how to play our Blockgineer game. If you're not familiar with MathNook, we have lots of free math and puzzle games to play and teaching tools to use, and there's never any membership or sign-up required, and everything's always free to play and use. Okay, before we start, I'm going to go over how to play the game and then what will follow in case you're here for all the solutions. As soon as I get through talking and going over the game, all the solutions will follow. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the game. And when you first start the game, this is the menu you'll see. The More Games button will take you to our site. In case you're playing this on a different site, it'll take you to MathNook.com. The video button will take you to the page on MathNook that has this video, in case you'd like to see that again. The instructions, not much to say here because I'm going to go over all that, but just show you how you get there and get out of there. Let's go ahead and click the play button. Now, when you first start, I've opened up all the levels, but not all these levels will be opened up. They're only the first. When you first start, the first one will be green, the rest of them will be grayed out, and as you complete a level, the next level will open up, so forth, until you get all 20 levels. Okay, well, let's go take a look at the so I can go ahead and hit reset progress, and what that's talking about, and you'll see in a minute. Now I can't click and open up these. This is the only one I can play, so I've reset my progress. Okay, now when you first start, the object is to get the colored ball into its box. And on this level, there's only one box, but later on, you're going to have different colored balls that you'll need to get to the boxes that have different colored balls in them, and you'll have to get the green in the green, the red in the red, and whatever other color you have on the on that particular level. So here's all the blocks you can use. You've got this is a block that just kind of blocks. This one is a triangle. You can rotate it around. You can rotate all these around. And when a ball hits it, it will deflect it up the other way. This arrow speeds everything up. And this is an arrow that toggles. It toggles back and forth. It'll bounce. When you hit it, it'll turn the other way and it'll make the balls go the other way. And I'll show you how that works in a second. But what I want to do is go ahead and show you how you'd solve this particular level. Now, let me go ahead and go over the other buttons. This will initiate the ball drop. And once you have everything set up, it'll start the level. This will reset the level. This turns the music on and off. This turns the sound on and off. I have everything turned off right now because I'm making this video, of course. And this will take you to, this button here will take the main menu. But what I like to do is go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and click this. And I'll go ahead and put it there. And I don't really want those there, so I can delete that one. I can delete that one, but I can't do anything with this one. But what I need to do is this X, that puts me in delete mode, and now I can delete it. And then I can choose, go ahead and get out of delete mode. Then I can choose whichever one I want. And let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to go ahead and rotate it. And then we'll go ahead and click start. Okay, it didn't have enough speed, so we're going to try again. And it's ready to go. And let's go ahead and put a speed up here. One thing I'd like to say, and you're going to see this a lot in this game, is that this is like this is a physics puzzle game. So when you drop the ball, it'll act like it's in real life. And in real life, the ball doesn't always bounce exactly the same way. So a lot of times, these solutions, it'll work 8 or 9 times out of 10, but maybe occasionally it won't work. And we'll go ahead and try that, and maybe you'll see this here. And okay, so it didn't work that time. And what I can do is what I can do here is I could actually put some blocks here, and that'll force it to go in. And that's how so I'm going to go ahead and play that again without doing that, without putting those blocks there. And just show that a lot of times it will go in. Let's see, go ahead and try it again. I'd maybe say some of the time it'll go in. There you go. So that's what you're going to see. A lot of times the solutions, there's lots of ways to solve this. Like I showed you before, you could put blocks here. You can do different things like that. Let's go ahead and put the blocks there, and you can see how that works. And you have a limited amount. See, I just ran out of blocks. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and delete that one and put it back in. And that should go in. Yeah. And that makes it a little bit more consistent. Let's go on to the next level. Now here's where you got to get the blue one in this one and the green one also in this one. And so again, I have all the solutions there. I'll try to, don't remember what this one is, but let me go ahead and put a speed up here and speed up here. Whoa, get rid of that one. Speed up there, and let's go ahead and put that one. I've got some blocks here. I don't remember how this one works, but anyways, the solution will follow. Let's go ahead and see what that does. Another one, and that's two. The third one, you've got three different colored ones, and they have to go to the same box. Now later on, different levels, they may have to go to different boxes. You got to kind of keep an eye on that. So anyways, that's how you play the game. As I mentioned before, the solutions to all the levels follow. So if you came here for that, stand by and you're going to see that. And I hope you have fun playing the game, and hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.